Nerve Repair and Regeneration Market Report. According to Cognitive Market Research, the global nerve repair and regeneration market size will be $8,265.20 million in 2024. It will expand at a CAGR of 12.2% from 2024 to 2031. North America nerve repair and regeneration market size of $3,306.08 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 10.4% from 2024 to 2031. Europe nerve repair and regeneration market share of over 30% of the global revenue with a market size of $2,479.56 million. Asia Pacific nerve repair and regeneration market size of $1,901.00 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 14.2% from 2024 to 2031. Latin America nerve repair and regeneration market size of $413.26 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 11.6% from 2024 to 2031. Middle East and Africa nerve repair and regeneration market size of $165.30 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 11.9% from 2024 to 2031. Access the free sample copy to know the market dynamics, competitor analysis, regional analysis, country analysis, segment analysis, market trends, technological trends, SWOT analysis, and more.